Good
Man, but she said that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement then we can?
Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, what up? Today's video is going to be a morning routine, but not just any morning routine. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
This is going to be my ideal morning routine. A lot of people get on here and act like that. A lot of people get on here and act like they do a bunch of stuff in the morning when they really don't. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, my mornings be slow, late risen, and unproductive a lot of the times. Today's gonna be like my ideal morning routine, what I wish I did on a daily basis, and like what I'm aiming for, especially now that I have so much free time thanks to Miss Rona. There should be no reason why I can't get my morning routine together. Like, I have all the time in the world to do it now, and I can go to sleep as early or as late as I want because I'm not working, and you know, it just makes sense. So let's do this. I want to start with yoga. I've been so interested in yoga, but I've never really gotten into it. And so today, I just want to try. I'm a beginner. That was the single most relaxing thing I have done in maybe a year or so. What was really interesting for me is, if you guys don't know, I'm like a trained dancer. I've been dancing most of my life. And what's really interesting for me is a lot of what yoga is just stretching when it in terms of like dance and like, you know, especially in ballet, like so much of that was just how we stretched. And so I felt really comfortable and at home. I feel so relaxed. I feel like my equilibrium has balanced out. And I've never been someone that's like enjoyed working out. Like, I don't enjoy going to the gym. I don't like running. Walking is okay, but like, I'm just not into that. But yoga? Y'all might have just did something. Now I'm going to have some breakfast. I typically do not in the mornings. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but like most of the time I don't. I'm just like apparently too busy to eat food. I don't know, that's like toxic. And I don't want to eat something unhealthy. Like, I don't want to go make a bowl of cereal. I want to have like a good healthy little breakfast, you know? Next time I think I'm gonna eat first, only because I'm waiting for my eggs to boil right now so I can have my breakfast. But like, my stomach literally hurts because I didn't eat before yoga. So you live and you learn. Now I know I need to eat before I do yoga.
Originally, I had just put on 2 eggs to boil, but then I put on 4, and one got messed up. I put on 4 because my boyfriend wanted 2 as well. So now I'll have 1 and I'll just give him 2.
All right, now we've been kind to ourselves and to our bodies and our emotions by doing some yoga, which I absolutely love. If you deal with stress, anxiety, depression, anything like that, I highly suggest yoga because like, I just feel like I'm floating. It feels like a weight was lifted off me, you know? And we were kind to our bodies by having a nice and nutritious breakfast. And now it's time to be productive. All those other things were productive, but this is like the most like concrete productive, if that makes sense. I'm going to start working on my bullet journal for May. It's currently April 24th. So I usually like to do it about this time, like, so I'm not rushing to do it. I don't like when I do my bullet journal late, so it's time to start setting up for May. If you don't know what bullet journaling is, it is a 100% customizable journal slash planner slash calendar slash whatever you need. You make it 100% customized to your life and your needs. You can have weekly planners, a monthly planner. You can track your mood so you can see, you know, how you're feeling, track your habits. If you want to drink more water, go to sleep earlier, work out more, you track all those habits so that you can make sure you're progressing the way you want to. You can write down all your appointments, all your goals. It's like just setting all the things that you have in your mind in front of you on paper is just like, it's great because you don't have to like hold all that stuff in your head all the time. It's like really a weight off of your shoulders. If you want to know more about bullet journaling, you can search it right here on YouTube or like Google it and look on Pinterest because Pinterest has some really good bullet journal ideas. But yeah, let's get into starting my May spread. So I want to like do some more research before I just do the same type of monthly spreads that I've been doing, because I feel like there's like maybe a monthly spread I could do that would be more productive for me. And I'm also still debating if I want to do like a weekly spread or not. And I still want to look at some more ideas for like different habit trackers and different mood trackers. So I'm going to stop here. I feel good. I got it started, and that's all that matters. Slow progress is still progress. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the morning with me. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye.
But she said that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement then? We can just while we're being friends, girl. I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Shorty too fly.